Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Sony FE 400-800mm F6.3-8 G OSS Lens. Sony's first ever E-mount super telephoto up to 800mm. Weighing in at just 2,475 grams and not really being that much larger than Sony's much loved 200-600mm, this lens has been packed full of features to ensure you get the highest image quality and performance for your bird and wildlife photography. Construction-wise, it's dust and moisture resistant with 27 elements in 19 groups, 6 of which are Sony's extra low dispersion glass, designed to produce outstanding resolution throughout the entire zoom range, as well as suppressing chromatic aberrations and minimizing flare and ghosting. Its fluorine front coating also effectively repels any water or oil-based grime that might end up on your lens. The 11-blade circular aperture produces some incredibly smooth bokeh, and this lens also offers you excellent close-up performance with a minimum focus distance of 1.7 meters at its widest and a max magnification of 0.23 times. We've also got optical steady shot for smooth, stable performance when shooting handheld, and this lens is also compatible with Sony's 1.4 times and 2 times teleconverters, offering you even more reach up to an impressive 1600mm when needed. The 400-800mm has not only been designed to deliver high optical performance, but also high-speed autofocus, and that is thanks to its 2 linear motors, which deliver that smooth, quiet, fast, and highly accurate AF. So this lens is not just great for stills, but also video. That's not all though, because this lens can also keep up with the high frame rate shooting capabilities of certain bodies, such as the A9 III. So it will be able to track and maintain focus up to 120 frames per second when you're burst shooting, and even when you're shooting in 240p video. So it gives you just that flexibility and confidence to be able to capture some epic slow motion or freeze the action in those bursts. On the subject of video, this lens has been designed to keep focus breathing to a minimum, ensuring that any changes to the angle of view due to focus shift are minimized across the entire zoom range, so you can create some really natural looking focus pulls. We've got all the controls you'd expect to see: the zoom ring, focus ring, 3 focus hold buttons which are customizable, your focus mode switch, full-time DMF switch, image stabilization and mode control, and also your focus range limiter, where the far mode now starts from 8 meters rather than 10 for a bit more practicality when shooting wildlife. We've also got a fixed tripod mount, and the lens hood features a filter window. From a usability point of view, this lens is really comfortable to shoot with. Its internal focusing just means that there is a very minimal shift to its center of gravity, which is great if you like to do a lot of panning or if you're handheld shooting for a prolonged amount of time. We've also got a really quick and light zoom ring too, so from a handling point of view, it's actually really nice because you're not twisting your hand into all these awkward positions to zoom in or out to capture your subject. While we tend to associate those larger super telephoto lenses with wildlife and bird photography, there is actually a whole load of versatility that comes with this being a zoom. So if you are into your sports photography, things like surfing, skiing, motorsports, aeroplanes, anything where you can't get up close to the action, this lens is going to be perfect for capturing it. And I should also add, if you enjoy shooting landscapes and you want to get those, I don't know, mountainous scenes or epic coastal views, this lens will also give you a really nice compression effect too. I think it's safe to say that I've really enjoyed shooting with this lens today. So if you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony 400-800mm F6.3-8 G OSS Lens, then head on over to Jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.